Master relationships, improve your dating life, and make marriage work. Ladies and gentlemen, relationships are the backbone of life. They shape our happiness, fuel our growth, and define our legacy. Yet, in today's world, mastering relationships has become one of the greatest challenges we face. But here's the truth: you can learn how to create meaningful connections, improve your dating life, and build a marriage that doesn't just survive but thrives. 1. Master relationships. If you want a fulfilling life, you must first learn to master the art of relationships. That means learning how to listen, not just hear. It means being present, not distracted. It means understanding that people don't just want your time, they want your attention, your respect, and your effort. Mastering relationships is about emotional intelligence. It's about knowing when to speak and when to stay silent. It's about building trust so strong that it doesn't break in hard times. Because let's face it, life will test every bond you have. But if you've mastered relationships, you'll survive those storms, and even come out stronger. 2. Improve your dating life. Dating is not about impressing people with fancy words, looks, or material things. It's about authenticity. If you want to improve your dating life, stop pretending to be someone you're not. Be honest, be confident, and most importantly, be intentional. Don't date just to kill time. Date with purpose. Know what you want, and don't waste energy on people who don't align with your values or your future. And here's the truth: improving your dating life starts with improving yourself. You attract what you are. If you're insecure, dishonest, or careless, that's the type of people you'll pull in. But if you're grounded, respectful, and ambitious, you'll attract someone who matches that energy. 3. Make marriage work. Now, let's talk about marriage, the ultimate test of love, patience, and commitment. Too many people walk into marriage thinking it's the finish line. It's not, it's the starting line. Marriage requires effort every single day. You can't stop doing the little things just because the ring is on the finger. Keep dating your spouse. Keep surprising them. Keep communicating, even when it's uncomfortable. Making marriage work is about sacrifice, compromise, and teamwork. You're not two people anymore, you're one team, facing the world together. And like every great team, you win by supporting each other, not competing against each other. If you want your marriage to last, don't just love each other when it's easy. Love each other when it's hard. That's where true commitment is proven. Final message. So remember this. Master your relationships, because people are your greatest treasure. Improve your dating life by becoming the best version of yourself and attracting the right person. And once you find that person, fight every day to make marriage work. If you can do these 3 things, not only will you succeed in love, you will succeed in life. So if you want to master relationships, improve your dating life, and make marriage work, remember this: it all begins with you. Work on your character, your communication, and your consistency. Be the kind of person you'd want to be with. Be the kind of partner who adds value, not drama. And never forget, love is not about finding the right person, it's about becoming the right person. Thank you. Raising hands.